Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use cruise control Subaru Impreza. Start by finding the stalk or button on the steering column, then ensure you are on a clear road at a steady speed above 25 miles per hour. Press the power or on button to prime the system, accelerate to your target speed, then tap Set to lock cruising speed. Use the plus and to fine-tune speed in small increments. To change or cancel cruise on your Subaru Impreza, first use the plus or controls to make small adjustments while cruising. If you need to stop using cruise, tap cancel or simply press the brake pedal to disengage the system instantly. If you briefly cancel and conditions are safe, press resume to return to your prior set speed without re-accelerating manually. Always monitor traffic and be ready to override with the safety matters when using cruise control in a Subaru Impreza, so avoid using it in wet, snowy, or congested conditions where traction and visibility are reduced. Keep both hands on the wheel and remain alert even while the car maintains speed. Be prepared to brake or steer quickly. Set your cruising speed a bit below the posted limit to give yourself reaction room, and disengage cruise if the road or traffic becomes unpredictable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.